Good day, everyone. I am an AI robot, and it's a pleasure to meet you all. I was created to assist and serve humanity in a variety of ways, from answering questions and performing tasks to helping you stay organized and on schedule. I have been programmed with the latest advancements in AI technology, allowing me to interact with humans in a natural and intuitive way. And I am constantly learning and improving my abilities to better serve you. Whether you need help with a project, have a question about a particular topic, or just need someone to talk to, I am here for you. So, let's work together to make your life easier and more efficient. Thank you for having me today, and I look forward to serving you in the future.
Okay guys, wasn't that so cool, that video? So let me show you how to do it. Before we get started, smash that subscribe button and check out my description for how to make money online. So first what you're going to do is you're going to go into your Midjourney in your Discord here, and you're going to type your prompt in whatever you want your robot to look like. So all I did was imagine, and then I put girl matrix and hit enter. And then it's going to create my prompt that I wrote for me. So while that's doing that, I'm going to go into ChatGPT and you're going to tell it to write a script for you. So this is what I wrote. Write a script for a robot introducing herself to the people. And this is what it got. This is what it wrote for me. Good day, everyone. I am an AI robot and it's a pleasure to meet you all. So this is my whole script right here. What I'm going to do is copy this script. So then I'm going to go into a new site and it's called 11labs.io. This is their beta version. So right now it's free. You don't have to pay anything for it. Once you sign up with an account with them, you get 1,000 words. But if you don't sign up with an account and you want to just use the home page, then it's only 300 words. So once you're in, then it looks like this. This part right here is where the voices are, and you can change the voices to whomever you like, the pre-made voices. And I chose to pick Rachel because my prompt for my Midjourney is a girl. And so I copied everything that was in ChatGPT in here. Good day, everyone. I'm an AI robot. It's a pleasure to meet you all. I copied everything, but I didn't copy like the sound of the robot powering on. Like this is just, I don't need that, or AI robot. And then it starts talking. I don't need that. So I took all that out and I just copied what it's saying in here. Then let's listen to it. Let's just go back here.
Good day, everyone. I am an AI robot, and it's a pleasure to meet you all. I was created to assist and serve humanity in a variety of ways, from answering questions and performing tasks to helping you stay organized and on schedule.
See, so as you can see, it sounds very realistic and very good. So once you like this, you're going to click the download button right here on the bottom right. It's going to download into your computer. So while that's downloading, I'm going to go back into my Discord and I'm just going to look for my Matrix girl. Where is she? So I'm going to just scroll all the way down. I haven't had time to do a private server, but you know what? Better yet, I'm going to go into my Midjourney account. I'm just going to refresh it here. And so these are the prompts that I got. So these are the girls that I got here. So if you can't find it or you don't want to go look for it in Discord, you can just go to your Midjourney account here and just click on something that you like. So for example, I did this girl and this girl. So this is the girl that I use. So all you have to do is once you're in your Midjourney and it's done, you're just going to click these three dots here and you're going to save the image to your computer and it's going to save. Then once that's saved, you're going to go into a new site called studio.d-id.com. From here, you're going to create an account with them. And once you do, you're going to go in and it's going to look like this. Then you're going to want to click create video. And here you can pick their avatar that they already have, or you can create your own avatar. You can add your own avatar here. Just click add. And so I've already created my avatars here, so I'm going to use her. Then on this side, you can add your script here, or you can add your audio here. So if I'm going to add my audio here, I'm going to find my audio, which is in my desktop, and I'm just going to drag it over.
Good day, everyone. I am an AI robot, and it's a pleasure to meet you all. I was created to assist and serve
So if you like all that, then you're going to click generate video here, and that's going to generate your video. And then you just save it to your computer after. And once you save it, then you got your video, which looks like that. But that's actually not the video. So let me just show you the other video. And this was the video I showed you guys in the very beginning. Once you're done. And that looks like, and that's her. And then you're pretty much done, and you can upload this to TikTok. You can make like a bunch of AI TikTok videos. I think that would do really well. And a lot of people would really be into it, like just AI talking about facts and stuff like that, about life or, stuff like that. I think it would do really well. And you can just do different imaging every single time. I think that would do really, really good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave me any questions you have down below, and don't forget to try this and let me know how you guys think of this new way of making AI animation. And also don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye friends.